Okay, yeah, I didn't know Dr. Ueckert previously, and it was just as my wife making an appointment for a cosmetic dentist, and I walked in basically off the street without any prior knowledge, and we just met for the first time when I came in for my first appointment. I knew I had some cosmetic work that I needed to have done. I had some chipping in my teeth from grinding, and I had problems with my bite that I didn't really realize was part of my bite. I just had pain in my jaw and in my temples, and so I initially came in to talk about the cosmetic veneers with Dr. Ueckert. It's been a few years. From this whole process has actually been a few years. It didn't take that long to get corrected, but when I first met him to today, it's been about 3 years. And initially, he told me that he could correct my cosmetic issues, of course, but then he told me about the greater picture of bite realignment and about setting my bite in a way that would keep me from damaging my teeth again through grinding, which was the primary driver for my cracking and for the damage to my teeth. I mean, I had some issues, but I didn't know that it would be anything that he'd be able to help me with until he brought the whole issue up, which was a good thing, and it was a pleasant surprise. And he told me he thought through from looking at me and taking my molds that he could correct my bite in a way that not only would allow me to have a better cosmetic look, but to have a more of a comfortable bite and less pain in my face, in my jaw, and in my cervical area. And that was a new concept for me. To begin with, I come from an engineering background, and I understand that we're dealing with very small distances, and that when I was growing up, dentistry was you either got your tooth pulled or you got your tooth filled. I mean, it wasn't more complicated than that. So this was a whole different level of thinking that I'd never experienced before in any of the other dentists that I had ever been to, and so I had to start thinking about coming and getting this done in a completely different way.